Ooh, we got some nice sleeve holders. Let's go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. This ain't. Is this card? It is a card. And we got. Well, the light might be too bright. I can't get it to focus. Hold up. There. It's Espeon. Just for the people that don't know, it's Espeon. Chat. Let's do this. Finally got open after struggling. You got that. And then I think it's 2 from the back. I could be wrong. Okay, it's 1 from the back, chat. I know what we got. So we got energy. Sorry, chat. I know it's hard to see. It's hard to open like this. My bad. My bad, guys. My bad. Not bad. What is that? What? Okay, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Last card. Last card, y'all. Woo! No fucking way. Woo! Let's go. Let's motherfucking go. Yo, I'm gonna sleeve that after. I do not have sleeves at the moment, but can I, what is this? Can I use this? No. On to this next pack, y'all. Hopefully you can pull something better. That was a great pull, though. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, let's get this open. Okay. Y'all see? 1 from the back. Boom. Okay. Energy. Come on, chat. Come on, guys. We got this. I got this. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Next one should be the crazy one if we get anything. Ooh. It's nothing crazy, but still nice. Still nice. Can't complain. Can't complain. Can't complain. On to this next pack, y'all. Next pack. I'm sorry this is a weird